Transferring from a Thomas Cook Forex card to a bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Access your Thomas Cook account either through their website or mobile app. Ensure that you have your login credentials ready. Navigate to the section of the website or app where you can manage your Forex card and initiate transfers. Provide the details of the bank account where you want to transfer the funds. This includes the account holder's name, account number, bank name, and any other required information. Enter the amount of money you wish to transfer from your Thomas Cook Forex card to the bank account. Double-check the transfer details, including the bank account information and the transfer amount. Confirm that everything is accurate before proceeding. Once you've reviewed and confirmed the transfer details, initiate the transfer from your Thomas Cook account. Follow any additional prompts or instructions provided by Thomas Cook to complete the transfer process. Depending on the processing times of Thomas Cook and the receiving bank, the transfer may take some time to complete. Be patient and wait for the funds to be transferred to your bank account. After the transfer is processed, check your bank account balance to confirm that the funds have been deposited successfully.